front of me is Realme 12 and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock. Begin by opening settings and scrolling down just a bit to access security and privacy. Then tap on device unlock and select face and fingerprint unlock at the bottom. Now, after tapping on face, enter your current login method. Finally, hit continue at the bottom, keep your face in frame and follow all of the instructions from your screen. Then hit done. Manage all of those options however you want to, and when you finished, go back. So when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, I can see that face unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!